So here and in this quick tutorial, we're going to discuss how you can change a particular word to any of them as per your convenience and whole subtitle while just via one click. So all you need to do, so you don't need to manually select every word and change it. You just simply open the subtitle in the subtitle edit files. Now just simply first find the word of which you want to change. For example, if I click on this find icon and here I write the word of which I want to make changes. For example, if I write mouth, here I need to search for the word. First of all, let me just count how many matches are there. There are two matches for the word mouth. Now, if I want to make changes to this particular word, all I need to do is to just simply click on this icon of replace. Just simply click over there, and here you're going to find this option of find word. Here you need to write the word mouth, and here you need to write the word of which you want to replace with it. Just simply write this, and if you click on this button of replace all, you can see you're gonna see all the two words that have been found are going to be changed. It will asking for warning. If I hit yes, now the changes are done on my subtitle file. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.